Innovative plumbing pros, offering affordable services by honest plumbers. Our Las Vegas plumbers provide many different plumbing services, such as locating slab leaks with our leak detection equipment, repairing or replacing leaking water heaters, specializing in tankless water heaters, hydrojetting with high-pressured water to clear stubborn clogs, offering drain inspections with our sewer cameras, garbage disposal repair and replacement, and our Las Vegas plumbers do much, much more. Offering 24-hour plumbing services in Las Vegas and surrounding areas. So call us today to schedule your appointment at 702-672-7567.